Thank you so much for joining us, Markus. It's a very interesting time for the crypto community now that we're finished with a very critical event, I think, for investors globally in crypto, which is the election of President Trump, ex-president. Now he is the next president of the United States. So let me ask you, first of all, to what extent do you think that this is something that is going to have a positive impact on crypto investors and crypto investments overall?
Yeah, thanks for having me. Obviously, the crypto market is on fire. Since Trump was elected, the crypto market cap has increased by $400 billion US. So this is really only attributed to him. We are now at 2.7 trillion. So we are like a big asset class now. And every ETF buyer is up 25% on average. So Larry Fink has been going around telling investors, multi-asset investors, sovereign wealth funds, pension funds to buy these Bitcoin ETFs, and everybody is up 25%. That, of course, is going to create a lot of positive momentum for next year. And now, as you correctly said, Trump has been elected, and who can really trade against it right now? Everybody is focused now on his inauguration date, which is only in January 20th. So we are like really weeks and months away until really there's proof if he's really the pro-crypto president that he promised to be. And in the meantime, I think the market just has to run up and has to trade the positive Trump momentum.
The bar is set high for a Trump presidency and what it means for the crypto industry, especially in terms of regulation. So what kind of regulation do you expect from President Trump, and to what extent do you think that the SEC will be aligned with Trump's vision?
Well, of course, Trump is probably going to pick a new SEC chairman. Who's going to be the regulator? Is it the SEC? Is it the CFTC? Congress is probably going to pass a law, make it a lot more obvious and evident, and put down the regulatory framework. Is really what is the security? What can be done? Can tokens be used to, as an investment vehicle? We're going to probably expect that there's going to be some more clarity around that the token launches can have also some staking characteristics. I think that's why, for example, Ethereum has been rallying, because people are expecting suddenly that these ETFs might actually allow also to be staking services offering. And then I think we're going to see more inflows from real investors that look at this, okay, this is a cash flow yielding investment. I think that's going to be some clarity. We're going to get some clarity about the SAB 121 Act that Biden vetoed down. We have, of course, in the House of Representatives is really, I think, full of crypto enthusiasts. So I think we're going to see more clarity. But I think there is a lot more dates coming up in the near term that is going to really help to push the market higher and really bring more people into the market and more capital into the market.
Markus, one final question to our viewers here. So to what extent do you think that a $100,000 price for Bitcoin is a number that is now, a figure that is now realistic, and when do you expect to see it?
Our expectations was that we're going to see this by January. I think expectations are probably now we're going to probably see this earlier. I think the conviction is very high. We have still a number of catalysts coming up. We have on the December 10th, we have the Microsoft board actually deciding if they're going to add Bitcoin to their really treasury assets. And I think then on December 15th, we have the FASB, the Financial Accounting Standards Board, also having some changes there. So companies can actually put on Bitcoin on their balance sheet and market it at a real value, not at a cost basis. And I think what has probably forgotten a little bit everybody here, that we're going to get more news around the FTX payout, which is another $16 billion. And I think the market will be going to be very excited about it. That's going to come any moment now, within the next couple of weeks, when we hear clarity when this number is going to be paid out. And as I said, there is this grace period right now, at least until Trump's inauguration in January 20th, I think, where the market just has to run with the bullish scenario, and it's very difficult to trade against it. So I think we're getting this squeeze higher in the market. That's what we're seeing from on-chain data to really the flow data, the retail coming back. And I think that's really the expectations are that we're going to see 100,000 by Christmas.
Well, very, very, very bullish scenario there, Markus. Thanks for being with us, Markus Thielen, the founder of 10x Research, with his bullish point of view on crypto markets.